গুস্তাখি করা তুমি যদি মনে করে এই স্বাধীনতা তোমার আছে তাহলে আমি
मुस्लिम होली किताब कुरान को एक हिंदू भगवान हनुमान की
burnt our deities, especially they burnt Srila Prabhupada.
Hello guys, how are you doing today? Before we start today's topic, I would like to congratulate all Indians, as India has achieved a landmark milestone of 100 crore doses. 1 billion doses of COVID-19 vaccines have been administered in our country. Okay, now let's get started. What's happening in Bangladesh? Why Hindus are always targeted? Are Hindus weaker and easy targets? A Hindu temple has been vandalized in Bangladesh in a fresh case of communal unrest amidst days of violence unleashed by unidentified Muslim bigots, who attacked the minority community's places of worship during the Durga Puja celebrations. This vandalism prompted minority group to announce a countrywide hunger strike. Guys, I fail to understand why we take spiritual beliefs so personal. Believing in God is about self-realization and not about any material associations. God is within you and without whom this universe wouldn't exist. Trinamool Congress has called the recent attacks on Hindus in Bangladesh during the Durga Puja festival a planned plot and questioned Prime Minister Modi for being inactive on the issue. Hindu-owned temples and shops in Feni, about 160 kilometers from the country's capital, have been vandalized and robbed during fresh clashes on Saturday, which broke out after an attack on demonstrators who were protesting against the attacks on Durga Puja venues in several places in Bangladesh. The clashes left at least 40 people, including officer in charge Nizamuddin of Feni Model Police Station, injured in the clashes.
They are our devotees, they killed, and they also burnt our deities, especially they burnt Srila Prabhupada. And by watching this, all the devotees of ISKCON of the world, they traumatized. So now in Bangladesh, all the districts, they are doing the human chain, and we are giving our petition, our letters to the Honorable Prime Minister, and we hope our Prime Minister will take actions, but still now we are not seen what we are expecting from our Prime Minister.
Charu Chandra Das Brahmachari, General Secretary of ISKCON Bangladesh, warned that the community would not sit silent and watch the attacks happen. The violence had erupted after an alleged blasphemy incident at a Durga Puja pavilion in Kamila, bordering Chandpur and about 100 kilometers from Dhaka, after which a probe was launched. On Thursday, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina promised to bring to justice the culprits behind the violence, saying anyone involved in the attacks on Hindu temples and Durga Puja venues in Kamila will not be spared.
The incidents in Kamala are being thoroughly investigated. Nobody will be spared. We are getting a large amount of information. We will definitely trace those who carried out the attacks. This is the age of technology. They must be found. We did so in the past and will do it in the future too. They must face due punishment. It doesn't matter which religion they belong to. They will be hunted down and punished. Why do you consider yourself a minority? You were born on this earth. You are the children of this soil. You live with your rights.
Superintendent of Police, Kamila, Farooq Ahmed told Dhaka Tribune that the man in question is 35-year-old Iqbal Hussain. A resident of Sujanagar in Kamila district, Hussain was the one who placed a copy of the Quran at Nanua Dighir Par Puja Mandap on October 13th. Police in Bangladesh uncovered Iqbal Hussain's involvement in the violence after analyzing CCTV footage retrieved from surveillance cameras installed at the pandal.
তোমার স্বাধীনতা আছে কোরআনকে অপমান করা, তোমার স্বাধীনতা আছে ইসলামের বিরুদ্ধে বলা, তোমার স্বাধীনতা আছে রাসূলের গুস্তাখি করা তুমি যদি মনে করে এই স্বাধীনতা তোমার আছে তাহলে আমি আব্বাস সিদ্দিকী আজকে বলে যাচ্ছি আমারও স্বাধীনতা তোমার ঘর থেকে কল্লাকে আলাদা করে।
Iqbal's brother and other family members, who suspect that someone might have taken advantage of his state of mind, are also helping the police in tracking him down. Iqbal's mother, Amina Begum, told Dhaka Tribune that he is a drug addict and has been facing psychological issues ever since he was stabbed in the stomach by some neighbors roughly 10 years ago.
मुस्लिम होली किताब कुरान को एक हिंदू भगवान हनुमान की गोदी में रख दिया है।
Apart from Kamila, incidents of violence were also reported from temples in Chandpur's Hajiganj, Chattogram's Banchkhali and Cox's Bazar's Pikua. This is unbelievable, guys. It's a sad state to be in. In the evolution of mankind, I guess we have lost the ability of being sensitive to other person's emotions and beliefs. It's high time we start getting evolved as humans. Okay guys, that's it for now. Hoping to see you soon in my next Robocast. Please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press bell icon. Bye for now.